What's up, people? I got a new clipper here. It's called the Kemei. I might be saying that wrong. I don't know. It's some kind of Chinese thing from China itself. Took like a month to get here, but this thing was really cheap, and I'm curious to see if the wall guards or if I have some guards that will fit on it. Let's see what you get. Okay, this will be the unboxing here. I haven't opened it yet. I don't know a whole lot about this thing, but I guess almost everything comes from China, so could it really be that much different? Alright. Man, does that look a lot like a wall blade? It's got kind of a nice feel to it. Oh, how about that? It's got 2 speeds. Check that out. Slow. Turbo. Actually seems like it's got some pretty good power. And I'll tell you what, this looks a lot like a wall blade. Okay, I see one little problem here. Is it comes with a Euro charger. But that's why they got the adapter. They thought of everything. So, alright, I'm gonna plug this thing in for a little bit, and we're gonna see if a wall guard actually fits. And if it does, this is gonna be a lot more fun than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, this is getting more interesting by the minute. They came pretty much fully charged, so I'm not really going to waste too much time. Listen to the sound of the regular magic clip. Alright, and listen to the Kemei. That's low speed. That's high speed. I think they have more power. They sound like they got more power than the magic clip, but here's a wall guard, and guess what? It fits perfect. Tight as could be. Which leads me to my next question. Can I get rid of this Chinese blade and put on Wall's blade? Here, but I got videos that show how to do this pretty good, so I'm not going to waste too much time explaining it now. This thing's got power, man. I wonder how long the battery is. Oh, right here, I got 90 minutes exactly. No, I mean that long. keep like reaching over here to try to get it to turn it on. It may have worked okay with its own blade. I just didn't even try it. Yeah. I mean, the blade looks pretty similar. This thing's got some power, dude. Like, you can feel it. Compared to the Magic Clip, the Magic Clip always feels like it's dragging, you know? This feels like it's actually, like, that's Magic Clip speed. Yeah. And that's like, you know, super speed. Warp drive. It's an Asian knockoff brand. The hot new Kemei. Can't walk around over there and do the cameras. Yeah. In my way. Not my man. You're good. Well, not bad, Kemei. Not bad. I'm seriously impressed by this. It was less than $30 on eBay, and I mean, I just need to play with it some more. I don't really want to make a big judgment call on it, but I mean, for now, I would say this thing is pretty awesome. I mean, you can see it's got the wall blade on there. Obviously, all your wall guides are going to fit with or without this blade, and pretty impressed so far. So I'm going to use it for a little bit. I'll let you guys know what I think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.